Alright guys, so can you advise the know Mr. Bennett, alright? So today we're gonna look for just for the performance task type of questions. This will help you guys in the curriculum base also. We're going to be looking at volume. Alright. So let us read the instructions and then get right into it. Alright, let's go. So it says assessment task name, let's put my name there. Date, let's put WhatsApp and my number. I know someone my number, right? So basically, as a person, I always leave comment and say I want to be a part of your class. So I just start leaving number on every video, alright? Sorry if you just reach me. The kids will learn a lot, alright? So it says Steve filled box A and box B with 1 centimeter cubes. Alright. So guys, this is one of the great examples which can show how cubes and volume work. So what it is, you have these 1 by 1 centimeter cube and you're gonna actually stack them in this. I love this. I love this video already. I just got this file to send from it someone in America. Thanks, I appreciate it. Alright, so let us look at it. So it says how many cubes can fit in box A? Alright. So just think about it practical before we even think about the multiplication and something. Alright. So we go so by 3 and we go so by 2. So first I want you guys to think about how many of these cubes you think can fit on the area, the base. Don't even use a technical term. The base, what that is sitting on, right? So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can have 6 at the base. So for each row, you're gonna have 6. So if this was 6, this was another 6, this was another 6, this was another 6, and this was another 6. So we literally can just say, okay, that is why for volume is the area of the base and you times it by the height, because the height tells you how many stacks you should have. So the base tells you how many is gonna hold at the bottom or the base. Alright, so we can see for ourselves we're gonna have 3 across and we're gonna have 2 sets of 3, so that is gonna give us 6. And in terms of the height, you're gonna have 6 more, 6 more, 6 more, 6 more. So clearly we can see that it's gonna be 30. 6 plus 6 is 12, 18, 24, 30. The general formula that we normally use for volume is area of the base. So it's the base area. It doesn't matter what shape is it. You find the area for the base and you times by the height. Because as I was saying, my students would remember this. For the height tells us how many stacks we're gonna have. That's all the height is saying, you know. How many stacks of how many on the base you're gonna have. So for example, if the height was say 1, then it will just be 6. If the height was 2, then it's gonna be 2 stacks of 6. Hope everyone is understanding. Hit the like button if you understand what I'm saying. Alright? So area of the base, so as we established, the base is 2 times 3. That's what it says. 3 here and 2 there. So that's 6. After we get the 6, we times it by the height because it's gonna be how many stack in all. So for this one, it can hold 30 for A. And remember, why we have cube? Because it's literally cubes it's holding. So it can hold 30 of this. It's gonna take 30 of this to stack to full this right, as Jamaicans would say, to the brim. Alright, let's look at this one now. So we have 2 by 2. So you know that for the base, you can put 1, 2 here, so, and then the next 1, 2. So that's 4. So it's 4 for each row. So you have 4 here, so for easy maths is, man. Hit the like button if you think maths easy, guys. You just need somebody to explain it. You stack 4, because everywhere I go hold 4. You can see it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So you have 4, 8, 12. So you see you can actually do volume without even multiplying. So you have 4 and 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. And if we can try the multiplication way, we say 2 times 2. So the base would be 4. And then we times it by the 6. Because the height is going to tell us, we're going to start them in and that gives us 24. So 6 fours, 24 cubes. That's what this actually means. It means it's going to take 24 of the cubes to put it up. Alright? Alright, and then to explain how you figure it out, we basically went through that already. How many cubes can, I actually answer that, and it's a show calculation indeed. Which of the two boxes can hold more cubes? Let us look at the volume, because the volume is literally what it can hold. So cube A can hold 30, so that would be cube A. The answer would be cube A. So that's A. And it can hold 6 more if they had asked for that particular. Alright, this one says, here is another box. How many centimeter cubes can this box hold? Alright, again, let's think about the base. It's going to be 6. And you're going to have 3 rows of 6. So you have 6 or so, 6 or so, 6 or so. Right? So that's 18 on the base. So guys, see how easy maths is? We have 18 plus another 8. So that is going to give us 36. Yes, sir, Duncan. Yeah, me now come school if not teaching now go on. You see me, bro? Me realize. Alright, guys, that was one of my coworker called me. Alright, so basically now let's do it the formula way. So we find the area for the base. So this is 6 by 3, so that's 6 by 3, which is 18. And then we times it by 2, which is the height. So you're gonna have 2 stacks of 18, still get 36. Alright? Alright, so it says find the measurement of a different box that holds the same number of cubes as this box. So our task now is to figure out a dimension that the product can be 36. But it must be different from this, alright? So it can be 6 by 3 by 2. Type that in the comment section, guys. Should I leave that for you guys? I'm gonna go with 4 by 3. So 4 3 is 12. And then by 3 again. So that is my one. 4 3 is 12. 3 times 12, 36. What did you guys come up with? Alright, let's look at this one now. It's a rectangular aquarium with holds 24 cubic feet of water when filled to the top. If it's 4 feet long and 3 feet tall, how wide is the tank? So basically they are telling you that the product should be 24. They gave you the top, right? Let's see what they gave us. Rectangular holds 24 feet of water. Oh, it's 4 feet long. So this is 4. 3 feet tall. Oh, basically them give you already 3 4 is 12. So this would be 2. So basically the guys, it's there already. So what you want to find out, you just want the product to be 24. So 4 2s 8, 3 8s 24. This one now, what is the volume of a rectangular prism with the height 2? So everything is given already. The base area is 6 feet. What is the volume? Alright, so if the base area is 6, it's gonna be 6 times 2, which is 12. So that means for the base area to be that, it has to be 3. 3 times 2, 6, and that's 12. These are some very nice questions. I think this one is more practice than anything else. Alright, cube-shaped boxes of a candy are shipped in larger boxes. The larger box are 6 feet long, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 feet long and 2 feet high. How many 1 cubic foot boxes of candy will a large box hold? Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 6 by 2. So it's 1 foot wide. Okay, so it's gonna be 12. As you say, it's 1 foot. So 6 twos, that's 12. And we come to the final one now. Can you guys leave this one in the comment section? A rectangular juice box contains 24 millimeters of apple juice. So it contains 24 millimeters of apple juice. The box is 2 centimeter high, so it's given already, as I say, and 3 wide. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's a length. So the length would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what they basically say. Alright. So 2, 3, 6, 4, 6, 24. So these are very nice questions. They're not hard, but very nice for you guys to understand the whole concept. Alright guys, so if you want your child to be a part of my class, this is my number. I'm gonna put it here again. Person's always asking for it, so I just start practice to leave it on every video. Alright, so guys, ensure that you like the video, ensure you WhatsApp me or call me on this number if you want to be a part of my class. Time winding down. It's never too late to come in my class. Alright, gonna learn regardless. So that's my number, 549-2161. I am Lennox Bennett. I'm out and out. See you guys in another video. Big up on yourself, guys, from across the Caribbean, USA, large, Canada, Africa, big up, Asia, India, Pakistan, everybody, big up on yourself. Thanks, guys. Alright. YouTube tell me say, hold on now, watch the thing. So big up. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you.